Volcanoes by Tahira. What is a volcano? A volcano is a mountain that has an opening to a downward pool of molten rock under the surface of the earth. A volcano is formed by magma from within the Earth's top mantle, making its way to the surface. There is an eruption at the surface which form the lava flows and deposits of ash. What is magma? Molten or hot liquid rock found below the Earth's surface is called magma. Magma is produced when temperatures within the Earth's crust or mantle is very hot, and when pressure in places within those layers reduce. What is the Ring of Fire? The Ring of Fire is where earthquakes occur often. There are about 452 volcanoes, and it has over 50% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. There are a high percentage of earthquakes in the Ring of Fire. It is the basin of the Pacific Ocean. Thank you for listening.